What is up then guys, hope you're doing well, welcome back to the channel. So, about a year ago today, we brought an eBay flocking kit, I think it was about £30, and in that video I did absolutely nothing but moan about how pants it was. The flocking kit also comes with a flocking adapter. I've seen people buying this kit and then using, say like Pringle tubs or a tub of talcum powder and emptying out and using the flocking material in that, which I'm actually going to just try and use this and see how that goes. But flocking, the self-proclaimed flocking, his flock applicator is an absolute piece of absolute. But the dispenser for the flock was like a ketchup bottle, which was, it did nothing, so I ended up using a talcum powder bottle, which was a little bit better. But it was all good for the video, but as soon as it got into the car and I started driving it with the windows open and the fans on, all the flock started to disperse and my dash looked like it had alopecia. So not to offend any of you guys with alopecia, but yeah, it wasn't attractive. So I've spent about a day just using acetone and scrubbing the absolute life out of the dash. I managed to get rid of most of it. I did ruin some of these surfaces, so I've had to sand these and repaint it. But I think, actually right there, oh, look at the shroud. If you watched the last video, I did some carbon fibre shrouds, so yeah, looks sick. But anyway, I think it's time for me to admit defeat. I'm gonna go all the way to Derby now to a company called Flocking Fantastic, which have been recommended by me, so if it goes good, I'll give them a shout out. But yeah, I think it's time to admit defeat, go get it done professionally, and get that race car look, man, because that's what we was going for, and I think I've already wasted a lot of money trying to make this dash look good. So yeah, time to admit defeat, time to get it done professionally, and time for a road trip. Okay then guys, so we're in the car, we're all loaded up, got the dash in there somehow, the joys of 3 doors, but it's an hour-and-a-half drive there, so I'm not going to bore you with an hour-and-a-half time lapse, plus most of it's just going to be me singing along to Mariah Carey. So yeah, start recording again once we're there. Then guys, so we're here. I'm pretty sure that this is the guy's house, so I'm not going to record too much, so I think it's time to do the trade, and yeah, let's go. Okay then, so just like that, the dash is gone. He says that it's going to be about 7 days, but I'm working out till next weekend, so we'll have to go grab it next week Saturday. So it's going to be a very, very long video, but for you guys it's just going to be like this. Alright then guys, so we're back. We're just about 30 minutes out from Derby to go collect the dash. Like, I'm normally excited to go collect like car parts, normally like exhaust or engine parts, but should I be this excited to go pick up a dash? Like, I genuinely don't know. But yeah, we're just about half an hour out now, and I'll start recording once we're there. Alright then guys, we've got the dash, we're back, and oh my god, it looks absolutely sick. Some things I like to do myself, but some things just leave to the professionals, because oh my god, let's go see it. Woo! There we go then guys. Jeez, mate, your man absolutely did bits today. So yeah, shout out to Mr. Flocktastic. I don't know if it was Mr. Flocktastic or just Flocktastic. Mate, you've actually smashed this. And also thank you to Adam FST. If you want to go follow his build, he's the one who recommended this person to me. He's got a sick ST150 turbo build, so yeah, let's have a look at it all properly. So there we've got the dash. As you can see, all of the holes from where I drilled to put a fuse box in there are all gone. As you can also see there, the hole for the button horn, that's gone. The shroud's all been flocked as well. Absolutely looks so sick. Also the knob for the lights has all been done. And just to complement that, we've got the surrounds for the gauges in carbon fibre with that acid green, which is absolutely gonna look absolutely sick. So yeah, I think it's time to get back home and fit this. Alright then, so this is like the 50th time I've had to record this. I keep stuttering over my words, I think I'm a bit too excited. But I'm currently looking at the dash, and I think it looks, it's so sick, I'm like that. Oh. But there are a few things that I need to sort out, which is like wire tucking, as I'll show you in a second, that there is a bit of wire that needs to be cleaned up. And I'm having a bit of an issue with the lights. I think a bit of flocker adhesive probably got in the switch, and the lights are stuck on. But other than that, everything else is absolutely sick. And yes, I don't think you guys are ready for it. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm sorry for messing you guys around, but look at that. Okay, then a bit of a close up. There we go. Got the gauges in there with the carbon fibre. I love this, mate. Let's do some cinematics. You ready? Oh. Oh. Put some black bars on there. Oh. But yeah, still got the hazards in and everything like that. I've still got the lights there that are flocked, but I think I might have to buy a new surround for that. And as you can see, he's done like a really good job. I think I said the horn button last time, but it's not the horn button, it's the button for the boot, which I don't need because firstly, it's never worked when I've had the car, and I'm going to be going to something else soon, which you will see very soon. But yeah, oh mate, this looks sick. Get a bit of light on it. Look at this. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that reflection. I won't really call it a reflection. That's kind of the reason why you get rid of the actual dash and get it flocked. But yeah, got no holes there where I had them before. Oh, I think this looks absolutely hard. And to turn the keys, let's see what it looks like when it's all together. You ready? It's one of those moments. Look at this. Jeez. I would turn the car on as well, but we've got a bit of what do you call it, a power steering squeal, so yeah, I think that might ruin the video. But yeah, just my I think that's a thumbnail in it. Actually, let's go grab the steering wheel as well, 2 secs. Ooh. As you can see, when I made the carbon fibre surround for inside there, I put the hub on the wrong way. So as you can see, the horn button and everything down there is kind of upside down. But other than that, we're getting there, boys. We are getting there very quickly. I still need to remove the AC, which I'm going to do before I get the car running again. I need to go get an MOT as well, because that's expired. I don't really want to leave it till November for the extension thing. But yeah, we are making some very, very good progress. I think I just want to like stare at it one more time. So yeah, let's have a look. Right then guys, that's the end of this video. I hope I was running in a way, shape or form. A lot of driving today. Really enjoyed getting my work done professionally. Shout out to Flocktastic. I'll leave all of his information down in the description. Shout out to Adam FST for recommending the guide, because you boys done absolutely sick and I appreciate it. So yeah, got another video coming soon. Going to be even more driving, almost twice the distance, going to Manchester. If you want to find out what I'm going to be buying, make sure you subscribe and drop us a like, and you can come along for the journey. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the show. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.